We walk on it every day, but we never look down. The soil beneath our cities is silent, yet it carries our future. Cities grow taller, but their roots grow weaker. Concrete replaces earth, waste replaces nutrition, and soil slowly disappears. Healthy soil grow healthy food. Healthy food builds healthy people. Healthy people create healthy cities. But when soil is poisoned, food becomes weaker. Water becomes unsafe. Air becomes heavier and cities begin to fall sick. The solution is not far away. Compositing waste, planting trees, protecting green space, respecting the soil again. Healthy soil are not just for farmers, they are for us, because a healthy city begins from the ground up.